Ah, of course you'd go away with that. So many times they denied me to show certain things. But
Good,
did you
I got
see it
a
on there
question.
before I pushed that button?
A little bit. I got a question I want them to answer solidly. Why are they trying to keep us apart?
That's literally all they wanted to say on that one. Oh, that's a catch-22 because I want. Oh.
Hey, I'm willing to compromise. I'm willing to have you physically, and he can have you spiritually and everything else. If he has a problem with that, I want him to speak now.
I really hope that the recording up there is catching the words you were saying. If not, I'm sure you'll remember our conversations enough that you'll be able to remember.
A little bit. My mic was blowing out because of the wind when they were talking. I didn't hear a fucking word they said. All I heard was the wind. Answer me. Just like now. I really don't care. But you're in a rock and a hard place.
I
Is it me
usually
getting
am.
you going?
It was you that railroaded me to my face, you know. But see, I know, and I could have sworn that was so much more than 7 minutes. Man, they really got into my head. But you've said that, so I should be able to say that. But I haven't said the other one. And I'm still not going to yet. But I want to. Hold on a second.
Feed into your desire.
I hate hearing that. I'm turning this off for now. I hate hearing that.